Using CreditSaint's money-back guarantee is a straightforward process that provides consumers with peace of mind when disputing errors on their credit reports. To start, it is essential to understand what the guarantee entails. CreditSaint offers a money-back guarantee if they are unable to remove any errors from your credit report after their service. The first step is to sign up for CreditSaint's service and go through their credit repair process. This involves CreditSaint working on your behalf to identify and dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. If after their efforts, no errors are removed from your report, you become eligible for the money-back guarantee. To initiate the refund process, you need to contact CreditSaint's customer service. They will guide you through the necessary steps, which typically involve providing documentation to support your claim. This documentation may include your credit reports showing that no changes were made, as well as proof that you followed CreditSaint's process as advised. It is crucial to carefully review CreditSaint's terms and conditions regarding the money-back guarantee. Understanding the criteria for eligibility and the process for claiming a refund is key to a smooth experience. Generally, the guarantee is contingent upon you allowing CreditSaint to work on your credit report for a specified period, usually several months, to ensure they have adequate time to dispute and potentially remove errors. When contacting CreditSaint, be prepared to provide detailed information about your account and the work you have done with them. Keeping a record of all communications and actions taken can be helpful in case you need to refer back to them during the refund process. Best practices include closely following CreditSaint's instructions throughout the credit repair process and maintaining open communication with their team. This not only enhances the chances of successfully removing errors from your credit report but also ensures you meet the criteria for the money-back guarantee if needed. In conclusion, utilizing CreditSaint's money-back guarantee is a relatively straightforward process that requires understanding the terms of the guarantee, following the credit repair process as directed, and maintaining detailed records. By doing so, you can leverage this consumer protection to your advantage, ensuring you receive the expected service from CreditSaint or a refund if they cannot deliver on their promises.